In this tutorial, we will demonstrate how to directly upload doors and windows into your project library. This is especially useful when you are working on projects in your personal workspace. To begin, open the Doors tab. Then, navigate to the respective category where you wish to add the door. After selecting it, click on the Add Door button. You will then see the active door type category and the shutter count. If you wish to change the door type before uploading a door, click on the drop-down menu and select it from the list. Please ensure that the correct door type and shutter count are selected before uploading the doors. This is particularly important to get the correct 2D annotations when you use the doors in the model. Next, use the file formats mentioned here to upload the door files. You can either browse in your system or directly drag and drop the files. If you wish to cancel the upload, click on the cross button. Once you're satisfied with all your selections, click on the import door to begin the import process. Follow the same process to add windows. Please note that doors and windows uploaded directly to the project library cannot be deleted once added, and you cannot assign properties like cost or other parameters to them. Additionally, items in a personal library are only visible to the user who added them. By following these steps, you can upload doors and windows directly into the project library and use them in your projects on Snaptrude.